Hi guys!
Welcome back to the channel.
We're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing today.
Woo-hoo.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.
And there's a little bell notification next to it, so make sure you click that too.
Alright, so I forgot to open these before we started, so we'll be right back. Alright, so you always get your little cards, which this time we got a second card. So the new card says, visit an Ulta Beauty near you for a custom Elemis flash facial. Wow, that was kind of hard. And we just got an Ulta.
We did.
It literally opened on the 28th of June.
Yep.
Cool. I like that. $10 at the Ulta Skin Bar. Yes. All right. And this month's box is Au Naturel. I think I'm saying that right.
Au Naturel.
Au Naturel. Go ahead and go first.
Okay, so we have the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Nourishing prebiotic green mask and for advanced skincare.
MSRP is $35. I got the same thing, so I'll just show that up with hers. You guys want to see what it might look like? Maybe. Still trying to open it. Or did we pause? I don't know. All right, let's see.
So the back says,
Green.
feed the skin with this versatile super green mask formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils. I've heard of avocado oil.
For some reason, I was thinking that it was going to just have, like, I don't know, like beads in it or something. I don't know.
Oh, I see.
But it's smooth. It feels really good.
There's a greenish tint to it.
Yeah.
Apply the mask twice weekly. A slight tinkling might occur.
Yeah.
Do you feel a tingling on your hand?
No. But it smells good. Ish. Yeah.
All right. Superfood Vital Veggie Mask.
All right. And then we got the Luxy Gaia. I don't know.
I would say Gaia, yeah.
Brushes. Which, weird packaging. I've never seen brushes in cardboard before.
So it looks like that the Gala 3-piece brush set, the MSRP is $30.
I don't know if I like that brush. Hold on, let me check my other foundation. Yeah, no. I mean, it's okay. I wouldn't really use it for foundation. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. Maybe like concealer or something.
I'm going to just pull mine out too because they're the same.
Little concealer brush, right? Precision crease brush.
Foundation, precision crease.
And a large eye blending brush, which it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be too. I was hoping for like a regular size. Let's see. I got one from Boxycharm a while back. If I can find it in all this junk. There we go.
I think I would use it for concealer too.
This one's just a lot rounder right here than this one. So there's just a lot more brush to it.
Okay.
But we're going to try that one with our new one. All right. Your turn.
All right, so I'm guessing this is our little surprise mystery piece. So we got the cleansing spa water makeup wipes.
MSRP on that one is $17. I got the same ones. I'm going to contains natural herbal essences. Oil-free and mildly acidic. Ugh.
Looks like it's by Kojendo.
I almost feel like it smells like a cleaning wipe.
It does.
Not like a makeup wipe. But still, I'm going to try it. I hope I like it.
All right.
I love makeup wipes.
makeup wipes.
All right, and so the next one I'm pulling out, maybe today. Everybody knows we were going to get this. Butter London. It's so little. I was expecting it to be bigger.
It's really pretty.
I love it. Butter London.
And so the MSRP for the Butter London whoop, Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette is $32.
It's so pretty. Looks like 4 shimmers and 2 mattes. I wanted to check this green one. Yep, the green one's a shimmer star. Shimmery-ish.
Okay, I thought yours looked a little bit different than mine, but it's not.
It's really pretty, and I can't wait to try it on for you guys.
Okay, so
This is something that we got different, so
I ended up getting the Tardiest it's from Tarte, sorry. And it's Tardiest Shimmering Lip Paint.
MSRP on that one is $20.
I'm gonna get it open here first for you. Okay.
I think I got that one, but I don't exactly remember. Can I see?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I got that one.
Do you like it?
I do. Oh, it wouldn't be in that one.
Oh. I was all searching already.
Ooh, I like the feel of the lid.
Oh, yeah. Aww.
All right, I was really hoping for the Lamar lip gloss, but still, Luna by Luna, I don't know. I've never heard of it. I'm sorry, I haven't. I got the shade Venus, Luna by Luna. Smells good. Yeah, it smells good.
Let's see. Luna.
Luna by Luna lip gloss. Oh, so MSRP on the Luna is $18.
So my total, since we have different glosses, my total is $134 for the complete box.
And mine would be $132 for everything. So $132, and you pay 21 whatever, 21 taxes, whatnot. I think it's worth it. I freaking love Boxycharm. Alright, so I'm gonna put all my junk back. Yeah, that one's mine. And
we should do the same.
Not junk. It's not junk. I can't believe I said that. It's not junk. I swear. So I'm just gonna be using. I'm not gonna use the. I'm only gonna try to use the big fat blending brush.
And I'll be using the crease brush and the blending brush.
Okay. So before I get started, since we did a Boxycharm unboxing video, I want to say that I did use the Lamar for my blush. I used the Cover FX for contour. It's a very used palette. I love this palette. Contour, and then I went in with this highlighter, Divine. And then we got this one a while back, the Pretty Vulgar setting powder. And the rest was not. But most of it was Boxy. Okay, so I did go ahead and use the foundation brush, but I just used it to prime my eyes. So, it's okay. I like it.
It's okay. It's okay.
Alright. I think I'm going to start off with Temptress.
I am doing the same as well.
And I'm just taking the new Luxie brush that we got, the eye blending, large eye blending. It's really scary because it's really big. I don't particularly like it. It's too big. Holy fuck. It's not fluffy enough. I don't know. it's not soft enough, I guess. What about for you?
I think it's too big.
Oh my gosh. I don't like it. I don't like it.
I feel like it's too big for me.
I gotta do the other side just to make it even. Oh my gosh. It's like making it catch everywhere.
Okay, so if I just keep going with it, I mean, it's coming out a bit, but like, it's just so big. It's very big.
It's not soft enough for me. So, I'm gonna go in with my usual blending brush. That was a scary moment. I feel like that made it way too dark, too. I mean, I don't know if it's the pigmentation.
Okay, yeah, so I'm also going to go back with my blending brush. It's just too big right now. Maybe to blend it all together towards the end. Maybe, but it's very big.
Dang. My eye doesn't like to catch anything right here. It's so annoying.
Don't know what you're gonna go in with next.
I think I'm gonna take a little bit of Diva, even though it's like a shimmery color. I mean, there's not really much else I can choose from. The only other matte color is this one, and I was going to do like a brownish, maybe green look, so I just don't think that the blue would go well right now. Just taking it in my crease to hopefully soften this part up a little bit. Oh my gosh, I'm not liking it.
What? Oh.
Okay. So I already know I'm gonna use Queen because Queen is my gamer tag name. It's my name for everything. Instagram, gamer tag, Twitter, freaking everything. So I think I'm just gonna go in with Queen right now. Feels pretty.
Feels pretty.
Feels pretty.
Adding that to the lid.
Yes.
So
What is on my
I think I'm gonna go in with some of the Diva. Whoop. There we go.
It's really pretty.
It's really pretty.
Yeah. Oops, sorry.
You're okay.
Alright, I'm gonna take Diva for the rest of it on my lid. Diva's not as soft, but it's still really pretty.
What's not?
Diva, it's not as soft as Queen, but it's like, it's still soft. I just feel like Queen's softer. But it's super pretty.
Oh, I see.
Going back in with Queen. Okay, I think I'm gonna take a little bit of Enchantress in my inner corner. You know what? I'm gonna use the crease brush for that and see how that works.
In the inner corner?
Yeah.
So I put some of the Diva on my lower lid. I went about halfway, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of Star also right to towards the end.
Ooh, soft. You know, whenever I do the fast forwarding in our videos, it always looks like we're talking a lot, but we're really not.
It looks like we're talking a lot.
Yeah. I like it. The crease brush did pretty good too.
Pretty.
Man, I wanted to do some Star too. I totally forgot. Oh well. Alright, so going back in with Queen and doing the other side.
Okay, and I'm going back in with Diva and doing the other side as well. So yeah, I definitely can feel the difference. Star is also softer than the Diva. I haven't used Queen yet, but it feels smooth. Ooh, it looks pretty.
Thanks.
You're welcome. So,
Taking that Enchantress in the inner corner. I like to bring my inner corner down a little. I don't know why. I guess I just like that little pop of color in there too.
I do the same thing. I'm going to take the little crease brush and go in with Queen and add it to my inner corners.
Well, I'd like to add a little pop of color in the middle, but I don't think I'm going to be getting that. And normally I don't really feel like my lid's this dark. Am I all over? That would be more like, I think Temptress is more like a Dimension type of shade.
Yeah, I feel the same way. I feel like it looks too dark up top.
So I'm just going to go back in with Temptress and then just darken it up a little bit.
Darken up the crease area?
Yeah.
I'm also going to go back in with Temptress and kind of darken up just the outer corner.
Alright. Just gonna take my blending brush and then just blend those shades together. Queen and Temptress. Taking a little bit more Queen.
And I'm doing the same as well, but I'm going to be taking in some of the Star and trying to blend it together.
All right. Enchantress again for my
Lower lash line? No? What are we doing?
brow bone.
Okay.
It's for my brow bone.
And I have not used Enchantress yet, so I'm actually going to be going in with that on my brow bone. Okay. Let's see. Whoops.
Whoops. Whoops. All right. Just taking Temptress on my lower lash line.
I'm going in with Temptress and a little bit of Star also on my lower lash line.
I'm just trying to buff this out now.
Underneath?
Yes. I got very little product on it, and then I'm kind of just super dabbing it off. trying to be all quiet about it.
Mm-hmm. Hold. Go.
You know, she used to always finish before me, but I think I always finish before her now.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
we'll be back with. Oh wait, no, we gotta put the lippy on right now.
yes.
I'm not gonna do liner.
No
today.
liner.
No liner today.
Okay.
It's very soft. I'm already on the third dip, so there's that.
So I did go in twice. Mine is soft, but you definitely can feel the glitter. I can feel it a lot.
Maybe that's just like a top coat.
Maybe.
I feel like that would look really pretty with some like nude color. I don't love it. I don't hate it.
I don't love it. I don't hate it.
It's just for me.
We'll
be back. Final looks.
Final looks.
What y'all think? Mostly everything on the face today was Boxycharm. Mostly. Let's see, what was it? My foundation?
Lashes.
Lashes. Foundation and lashes. That's literally... Oh, nope. Yep, that's it. Foundation and lashes. Holy moly.
I'm pretty sure.
And my bronzer was not.
Okay. I think mine was foundation and contour.
You didn't use that one,
I
yeah.
used the one that you bought me.
Mm-hmm.
So
what do you guys think? Leave your comments down below and let us know.
your eyes look really pretty when you look down like that. Do that again. It looks so pretty.
You gonna do like a little montage?
It looks really pretty like that. Dang it.
Yeah, so I guess we'll be back.
Are we not bringing up the setting powder? I know you were excited about it. The spoiler for next month.
Next month's boxing. But no, because we don't do spoilers on here. But if you guys wanted to know, yeah, I guess. But we're not going to like show anything or anything like that because we're not a spoiler channel. Unless you want us to be.
You tell us.
No. But yes.
Alright, yeah. So
Boxycharm, is it worth it? Yes, it is. Bye.
bye.